Hello and welcome back to my channel. This time I'm going to show you how a forsythia blooms, how to prune, and how to take cuttings for propagation. It is now in bloom, as you can see. It got very beautiful yellow flowers. And I always wait till I prune when it's done flowering. So I'm waiting a few weeks now, and now the blooms are gone, so I'm going to prune it, and I'm going to show you how I do that. And I'm going to cut above a new, just like this, just above a new shoot, just like this one. And I'm cutting it very short so it will grow a bushy forsythia. As you can see, I cut all the stems now, this one as well. And with these cuttings I'm going to propagate. And this time I'm going to propagate in soil and in water. And we are going to see which one works best, grows better. You need a pruning scissor, and I'm going to cut these in half. So I will have little cuttings, and I'm cutting it above these two. And this one is going into the soil. Normally I pull the bottom leaves off. I'm not going to do that now, but you can do that. And this one as well. This one is going into the soil. The ones that have little leaves, I'm going to propagate them in water. Because if you propagate in water, you have to cut the bottom leaves off most as possible, because otherwise it's going to rot in the water. And this one, no, this one. The top I'm going to propagate in water because it has no leaves. Well, a few, but too little. And this one as well. And this one I'm going to put it in directly in soil. This one, it has nearly no leaves, so this is going into water. And the bottom half is going in water too. This one I'm going to cut in 3 pieces. This one is going into the soil, and this one I'm going to cut it where it has no leaves, and this one is going into water, and the other one is going into soil. And this one going to cut in 2 pieces, this one into soil and this one as well. And now we have 2, one in water and one in soil. And now we're going to see which one grows better, faster, more roots, more leaves. We shall see how that goes. In this video, we are now 1 week in, and as you can see, there is no roots yet. It still grows. You can see new leaves here, so that is good, but no roots. The new leaves in the water, those are still growing. Now we are 3 weeks in, and as you can see, I've pruned this one and it's giving me new shoots, as you can see here on the bottom, but on the top it has also a few new leaves and it grows very good, as you can see. But we are still a few weeks in, so I'm going to give you updates about this, of course. We are now also 3 weeks in with the propagations in soil and in water. As you can see, it's still growing, but does it have any roots? I don't think this has any roots yet, but we shall see. This one is also growing very good in water, and as you can see here, there is still no roots after 3 weeks. So I need to give you more updates. Still no roots. And it's still growing. But thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.